Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mintaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the Office 365 error code 0xCAA70010 that you are experiencing when attempting to sign in to the applications and the message show we can't connect you. It looks like we can't connect to the one of our services at the moment. Please try again later or contact your help desk if the issue persists with the error message code 0xCAA70010. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then dito sa search app ay kailangan mo nang i-type dito yung registry editor, and then kailangan mo nang mag-right click. And then select mo lang dito yung run as administrator if you receive user account control, and then click mo lang dito yung yes. So before you proceed in the registry, so I would suggest you to create a backup file. So if anything go wrong, you could easily restore it back. In order to create a backup, it's very simple. All you have to do is to select yung file dito sa taas, and then select mo lang dito yung export, and then pop up tong export registry file. So dito ay select ko lang kung saan mo sisave yung file, and then I would suggest and recommend to create file name. Kailangan mong ilagay dito yung date. So once na-create mo na yung file name and date, click mo lang dito yung save. And then if you want to needed to import it back, so it's very simple, same procedure. Dito lang sa taas ay kailangan mo lang select yung file, and then select mo lang dito yung import, and then pop up tong import registry file. And then next ay kailangan mo lang i-locate dito kung saan mo sinave yung file, and then click mo lang dito yung open. Alright, so proceed na tayo. So ang next step, dito lang sa computer, and then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung HK current user, so double click dito. And then dito sa HK current users, ang next step ay select mo lang dito yung software, so double click ulit dito. And then dito sa software, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-locate dito yung Microsoft, ito siya, so double click ulit dito. And then dito sa Microsoft, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-locate dito yung Office, so scroll down, and then dito yung Office, kailangan mo lang mag-double click. And then dito sa Office, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung 16.0 folder, ito siya, yung pinakauna, so double click ulit ka lang dyan. And then dito sa 16.0, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung identity folder, ito siya. So dito kailangan mo lang i-select yan, hindi ka mag-double click, so select lang siya. And then dito lang sa right side, kailangan mo lang i-locate dito yung enable EDEL, ito siya. So once wala ka makitang enable EDEL, so kailangan mo mag-create. So kung paano ba mag-create? So dito sa black area, kailangan mo lang mag-right click, select new, and then dito sa key, and then select mo lang dito yung DWORD 32-bit value. Okay, so once nakapag-create ka ng ganyan, and then kailangan mo lang i-rename ito ng enable EDEL. So once nakapag-create ka na, so click mo lang ganyan, so kailangan mo lang mag-double click, and then pop up itong edit DWORD 32-bit value. Makikita mo dito yung value name, and then dito sa value data ay kailangan naka-0 siya, and then dito sa base, kailangan nakaselect yung hexadecimal, and then click mo lang dito yung OK. So na-click mo lang ganyan, so kailangan lang natin mag-back, so back lang tayo, and then close natin tong registry editor, and then dito lang sa start menu, at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, so click mo lang siya. Alright, so ganoon lang po ka-simply on how to fix error code 0xCAA70010 in Office 365 sign-in error. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.